Got a new iPhone and want to transfer all your data? This video shows you the quick start method in 1 or 2 minutes. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, make sure both of your iPhones have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and are placed close to each other. Let's start with the new iPhone we want to move the data to. Select the language and country, select the appearance, size, and tap Continue. Now you see that on the old phone, an option called Set up a new device. Tap on the old device, Continue. Take the old device and scan the image from the new iPhone. Now tap on Set up for me on the old device. Write the passcode from the old device on the new iPhone. Wait a bit so that the new phone is activated. Now tap Continue. You can set your Face ID on the new device. I will skip this for now so we can go faster. Now we will have an option to transfer data. I suggest so you won't lose any data to select Transfer from iPhone. But please be aware that this option might take much more time. Tap Agree. Tap Continue. Turn on your location if you want. Add your card if you want. I will set this option later. I will also set up Apple Intelligence later. Continue with the option until you reach the step where you transfer the data to your new phone. Now the transfer process will start, and it can take as long as 2 hours. After the transfer is finished, the new phone will restart, and you can use it as your main phone. You will not lose any data, but you might need to log into some services again. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.